Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Solana. Over the last 1 month, Solana has rallied up 62%. Over the last 1 year, Solana is up 430%. Over the last 1 week, we've seen Solana get up by 19%. Good time to returning back to the altcoin market. Altcoins are bubbling on a daily, weekly, and monthly time frame. The $1 million question is, how high can Solana go in the coming days and coming weeks? We've seen Solana drop to as low as $9 in this bear market. And right now it's pumping, continue pumping to higher values. We're going to take a look at the Solana US dollar price chart on a weekly time frame. We're also going to be looking at Solana's performance against the king of the market, Bitcoin. We'll finally look at Solana's market cap, which has rallied quickly to as high as $30 billion. Can we get to new all-time highs? There's growing cryptocurrency market right now. How will that affect the price of Solana in the coming days and the coming weeks? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business.
I can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Guys, now is the time to get paid. Now is the time to cash out. Now is the time to get reward for all those long and boring bear market buys. Now is the time to get all those epic pumps to the moon. We have been through a very brutal bear market. We saw Solana in the previous bull market giving us a crazy pump. Some people bought Solana at the $0.5 level. That was in April of 2020. Solana rallied to new all-time highs. And by November of 2021, Solana was already up by more than 46,000%, which meant $1,000 invested in Solana when the bull market started would have returned over $469,000. But guys, that was the previous bull market, and after every bull market, we are supposed to have a bear market, and this bear market was very boring. This bear market was very brutal, but we saw Solana dumping to Goblin Town and finally finding support. But before we found support, Solana was down, trading around the $8 region. After the $8 region, a lot of people are expecting Solana to go lower than that. As luck we have it, as fate we have it, we caught a very strong bounce. We saw Solana getting back to as high as $71 right now, and Solana keeps pumping to higher values. We have gotten above all the critical resistance level we're worried about. We're worried about yearly highs. Solana blasted above it. We're worried about where we're trading in August of 2022, around the $47 region. Solana has blasted above it. And right now, the next key level to worry about, the next key level I believe we see Solana cracking above is that $79 level. As we continue pumping to higher values, guys, I don't think we're setting new all-time highs. That's a very controversial opinion. I don't think we're setting new all-time highs. I think we might find a lot of resistance at the $140 region from where Solana is trading. I still believe we can go up 100%. But if we get there, guys, from where we're currently trading, we would have seen Solana rally from the bottom by more than 1,500%. A 1,500% pump is something to write home about. A 1,500% pump is something to be joyous about, because Bitcoin, the king of the market, has barely risen up by 200%. Ethereum, the king of all coins in the market, has barely seen a 150% pump. Solana, just in the last 90 days, have seen crazy movement. In the last 90 days, even if you were late to the party, if you got Solana when it was trading around $17, right now you'd have gotten more than a 300% increase on your investment. And when the altcoin market gets going, things can get very emotional very quickly. If you take a look at when the altcoin markets have huge pumps, extreme greed returns back to the cryptocurrency market. Right now, we've not got to that extreme greed phase. Right now, we're still seeing greed in the cryptocurrency market. Right now, greed has lasted in the market for over 30 days. But Bitcoin has rallied to new highs. Bitcoin has gotten to new 2023 highs. Before, the highest we saw Bitcoin trade this year was around $31,000. Bitcoin has made that push towards $44,000. Ethereum has made that push towards $2,390. I expect to see the altcoin market going crazy. I expect the final phase of this altcoin season to be crazy, and that final phase will take us to altcoin season. Now, the altcoin season index tells us when capital is flowing from the Bitcoin market into the altcoin market, and it tells us that capital has stayed in the Bitcoin market for majority of 2023. We've seen altcoins having a great time in 2023. We've seen Bitcoin having a great time in 2023. Right now, it's time for altcoins to take over. And we see 75% of the top 50 coins doing better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period. Guys, that might just be your signal that it's alt season. That might just be your signal to take some profits of the table. As Solana continues pumping to higher values, how high do we think it will go? We're going to take a look at some key details about Solana, with the market cap just crossing the $30 billion level, Solana trading above $72. We have a circulating supply of 426 million souls, a total supply of 564 million souls, and Solana all-time high came in on the 6th of November 2021 when it traded for as high as $260. Can we get back to that $260 level? Guys, if you want to buy some Solana, you can get some on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange, on Kraken, on Bitfinex, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Solana tokens right there. The Solana protocol is designed to facilitate decentralized applications creation. It aims to improve scalability by introducing a proof of history consensus combined with the underlying proof of stake consensus of the blockchain. It's a highly functional open source project that banks on the blockchain technology permissionless nature to provide decentralized finance solution. And take a look at Solana's performance against the king of the market, Bitcoin. Huge jumps to gobbling time in the bear market, which is normal. We see huge jumps to gobbling time in the bear market for every altcoin against Bitcoin. Altcoins underperform against Bitcoin when the market is fearful. But guys, when the market gets greedy, when the market gets into extreme greed, just like we're about to enter, even when the market gets excited like this, you see altcoins outperforming Bitcoin. And Solana over the last few weeks has proven their theory right. We have seen Solana over the last few weeks outperform Bitcoin by 200%. Expect us to continue outperforming Bitcoin till the end of this bull market. But right now, guys, I don't think we're getting to new all-time highs. As I told you guys, I believe we're going to see a pullback around the corner, and that pullback for Solana might come when the market cap gets to that $45 billion region. A lot of altcoins in the market are rallying back to where they were trading in March of 2022. If Solana will join in that party, we should expect to see Solana's market cap get to that $45 billion level, and that's around 50% from where we're currently trading before we start having some difficulties. But guys, what's a little difficulty? Solana has been pumping crazily, and if you're one of those smart investors that have been on this channel accumulating when we're down in Gobbling Town, right now you are up more than 700% from the bottom, and if you sell when we get to that $45 billion region, you would have gotten more than 1,000% return on your investment. Take a look at the altcoin market. Good times are returning. There's great in the cryptocurrency market. How high do you see Solana going in the coming days and the coming weeks? Are you buying more Solana, adding to your moon bag? Solana trades above $70. Do you think we can get to the $150 level? Do you even think we can break to new all-time highs? Maybe I'm hyper bearish. I want to hear your own thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing can pay off more than educating yourself, and investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.